Before, when I first started creating YouTube videos, I promise y'all, it used to take me like 3 or 4 days to edit like a 5-minute video. Putting them reps in and creating, I got better at editing. I got better at settings on the camera, and YouTube has definitely changed my life. And this video is just to motivate anybody that's having doubts. I know we living in rough times, but keep your head up, stay focused, lock in, don't give up. Nothing worth having is ever gonna be easy. Remember that. YouTube really forced me to get out of my comfort zone. I've always been an introvert. I've always been quiet. Recording YouTube videos made me get out of my shell. Now I'm able to talk to the camera without no problems. I'm able to articulate myself without doing music. I'm still being creative. But besides that, YouTube has made me work on so many different skills, from editing to filming to scripting to creating thumbnails, graphics. And not only that, I've been able to build relationships from YouTube. I done had conversations and became friends with some of my subscribers, and I done seen some of my subscribers out in public.
I ran into this brother, bro. I told him, like, I was like, yo, bro. I walked up to him like, yo, bro, I'm hip. Like, you started showing up on my timeline maybe like late last year. Maybe like, this is around like maybe third quarter of last year. And like, I've watched multiple of his videos, multiple. There's some stories, young. I know some shit he's been in with his encounters out here in Atlanta. I know he has a daughter. I know he's a hard worker as well too. My man be grinding, like, and he's relentless. He's been at this YouTube thing longer than I have. And I saw when he got monetized, I dapped him up. I told him, I was like, bro, congrats. I saw the video when you announced you got monetized. He was appreciative, like, damn, bro, thank you, man. Appreciate. I chopped it up with him, let him know, like, yo, keep going.
I had some of my favorite YouTubers actually comment on my videos, which is crazy. You feel me? It's nothing like getting a notification from one of your favorite YouTubers. Then you see that they commented on your video, telling you to keep going. Man, and if that ain't motivation and inspiration, I'm telling y'all now, man, keep putting in that work, keep grinding. I know it might be difficult sometimes, trust me, I know. I got a regular job, I got my own business. I'm out here grinding, but I always still make time to create content, and I be recording a lot. Even though I don't post all of my videos, I'm always working. So if you don't see me posting on this channel, just know I'm always working. YouTube has forced me to be a beast, you heard? This past summer, I was able to close my highest paying client so far, man. So I'm so appreciative of YouTube, how it made me be the best version of myself. Even though I'm not where I wanna be, I know I have to increase my output. My dad came down from Jersey a couple of months ago. He like, man, your crib look like a damn photography studio. And that's really due to YouTube. I had to invest in the lighting, tripods, man, all types of cameras, lenses, all types of stuff. I don't want to make it seem like I got it like that, but I will say that I grind, and I grind hard to be able to purchase, you know, the equipment that I currently do have. I've always been a music artist. I was more involved in like music equipment, as far as like, you know, the microphones and the interfaces and computers and the Mac laptops and all that type of stuff. I really wasn't into the camera thing, but once I started trying to take YouTube serious, that's when I started like finding myself interested in camera gear and, you know, the editing software and stuff like that. So even if you're a new YouTuber and you're just getting started, and even if you've been doing YouTube for years, never get discouraged. Just keep grinding, keep creating, and you'll get better. And don't even chase the analytics, man. Don't even worry about the views. Just tell your story, document your life. I talk about that in a few different videos and all that, and I love to document my videos. And it's cool because I might run into somebody that knows me and stuff like that, and they be like, yo bro, I be seeing you grinding, I see your videos, keep working. And it just always feels good to know that there's people paying attention. A lot of people don't even have cable anymore. To go to somebody's crib, they like, oh, you do YouTube? And then they pull your YouTube up and they see that you really official, it make you feel good, like, yeah, that vlog is hard, like, yeah, I killed that cut, yeah, that was hard, that transition, fire. It just feels good because it's like all the skills that I learned with the camera, I owe it all to YouTube, because that's where I learned. It just made me become a better creator, but it also forced me to be a better student because I had to actually learn from the creators on YouTube. I might watch this video and how can I take information from that video and then apply it to what I got going on. So a lot of people say you need to niche down, and I get it, but just keep throwing stuff at the wall. Record different vlogs, record different content, do some talking head videos. See see what your style is. You gotta, you know, upload different videos and let the people decide what they want. Me, I'm still learning. I think I'm gonna really just focus on the music on this channel, and then I have another channel. I'm gonna just let that be my vlog channel, and then I'm gonna just drop all my vlogs on that channel. Honestly, from my analytics, it just seemed like most of my subscribers wanna see me record music, or they want me to make videos giving information and knowledge about music. Before, when I first started creating YouTube videos, I promise y'all, it used to take me like 3 or 4 days to edit like a 5-minute video without all those cuts. Like, it was just so much stuff I didn't know. So putting them reps in and creating, I got better at editing. I got better at settings on the camera and, you know, all types of stuff, man. YouTube has definitely changed my life. And this video is just to motivate anybody that's having doubts. I know we living in rough times, but keep your head up, stay focused, lock in, don't give up. Nothing worth having is ever gonna be easy. Remember that. We gonna reach that 5K soon, and then we gonna reach that 10K, and then that 20K before you know it. But the ultimate goal is to reach that 100K. I need that plaque. It's only right, man. But I'm willing to put the work in. I'm willing to be consistent and do what it takes. Make sure you always surround yourself by people that actually believe in you, because life is already hard. Creating content is hard. It's not easy. It's so many things that you have to figure out as far as being a YouTuber or a content creator. You know, I talked about it in multiple videos, man. You gotta be a graphic designer, filmmaker, editor, a script writer. The list goes on. So it's definitely not for the weak, and it's definitely gonna take a team, or it's gonna take a strong-minded individual or determined individual to make it happen. But it can happen. Don't be afraid to put that work in. Don't be afraid to cut your friends off or anybody else. Just lock in. Sometimes you gotta do it by yourself. It's hella times that I be feeling like I don't feel like recording, or I'm tired from work, or I just been creating content and doing some other stuff for somebody else, and then when I come home, I'm exhausted. But at the end of the day, it's like, bro, let's lock in. You gonna be exhausted. It's no excuse. How bad do you want it? Again, man, this video is just to motivate anybody that's struggling out there, that needs some motivation. Man, you could do it. I'm doing it in real time. Remember, dreams don't have deadlines. And if you ever need some inspiration or motivation, just come back to this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's the homie LA Mars. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. And now, go! Let's get it.